Business Break, brought to you by Christi Hill Real Estate.
Welcome to Business Break. I'm Yolanda Mayo, and with me today, Christi Hill from the Christi Hill Real Estate team. Hello, Christi.
Hi, Yolanda.
Okay, so we want to talk a little bit about home inspectors.
Yes. So I have a little bit of opinion on the subject only because we are seeing an influx of home inspectors enter the market. And how do new buyers, or even old buyers, right, go and find the right home inspector, the home inspector that fits the home that they're trying to purchase? And that right there it's kind of a scary little unknown.
So you might want to use more than just Google.
Yes.
Just saying.
So up and beyond Google, because Google, yes, it's our friend, but you can also influence Google reviews and have maybe misrepresentations. Not saying that any of that's being done in our home inspector world, but we need to actually add another layer of substance to the person that you're going to inspect the home that you're going to purchase, and maybe asking the agent, hopefully that's us, who they would recommend, getting 3 recommendations from that person, and also picking up the phone and calling the home inspector and asking some questions that apply to the home that you're purchasing. Whether are they used to doing older homes or maybe new construction.
Well, thank you so much for that. And this has been Christi Hill with the Christi Hill Real Estate team on Business Break.